สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to my channel. I think today many people know this menu. It's a really famous meal in Thailand and it's a street food. I recommend today is ผัดกะเพรา Krapow is basil. So before we're gonna start to make it, I would like to talk about Krapow or basil a little bit first. Krapow or basil is famous herb that most of Thai people know. It can help your stomach if you have a problem about digestion or even new moms who just gave birth and have to make milk. It can help you to produce more milk. It's a really amazing herb and I like the smell so much. The basil that I'm gonna use today is Thai basil because it has my favorite smell. But if you cannot find it or you like the other basil more, you can also use it. It doesn't matter which one. At first, I will start with the basil, so I will pick the basil leaves and I will show you how I do it. I like to eat spicy, so I'm gonna use bird's eye chili, or most people call Thai chili. If you prefer the other chili, you also can use it, or you don't want to put chili. Just make the taste you like. I chop the garlic very finely, and I do the same with the chili. I will make a sauce for fried pad krapow first. I will put fish sauce 2 tablespoons, oyster sauce 2 tablespoons, soy sauce 1 teaspoon, sugar 2 teaspoons, and black salt 1 teaspoon, and mix together. Heat about 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil into the pan. Add the garlic first and fry until you smell it. Then add the meat. You can use any meat you like or seafood. Fry the meat until it's cooked and add the salt. Mix together a few minutes. And add the chili. Lastly, I will add the basil and fry a bit, and the meal is ready. I will serve pad krapow with rice on the side. Thank you for watching me. I hope this video can helping you to make a pad krapow or fried basil at home. See you next time. Bye.